Assalamu alaikum. Hello, how are you, grade 5? I hope that all of you are doing very well. Today, inshallah, we are going to learn a new lesson about light. We are still learning about light, but we will learn a different topic, which is refraction of light. So I hope that all of you are ready. Let's begin. In this lesson for today, we are going to learn what is the meaning of refraction of light. Then we will take some examples of refraction of light. After that, maybe in this video or in the next video, inshallah, we will know what is the difference between concave and convex lenses. Okay, before we start the lesson, as we used to do, we will list the new words that we are going to learn in this video. The first word is refraction of light. Pay attention, please. It is different, not reflection, but refraction of light. Number 2, light bending. Number 3, convex lens. Number 4, concave lens. Okay, let us recall and remind ourselves of what is the meaning of reflection of light. In the previous lessons, we said that reflection of light means when I have light ray, ما يكون عنا شعاع ضوء, and this light rays or light ray strikes a surface like the mirror, like the wood. So what will happen to this light ray? It will bounce off. It will be reflected. This is the meaning of reflection. So you will know now the difference between reflection and refraction at the end of this video, inshallah. And we said that we have two types of reflection of light, which are regular reflection and diffused reflection. It depends on the surface. If the surface was smooth, so we will have a regular reflection. But if the surface was rough like the wood, so we will have a diffused reflection, so we don't have a clear image. Okay, but in our lesson for today, we will talk about refraction. To know what is the meaning of refraction, as we used to do, let us observe the picture. Okay, now this much. I don't want to zoom it. Okay, so let us see this picture to know what is the meaning of the refraction of light. First of all, let us imagine that we have a light source. Maybe it is the sun or the lamp. So we have light source. Any light source will give us light rays. So these light rays will travel, as we already know before, that light rays travel through matter. What is the matter here? What is the medium? Excellent, it is the air. So the light will travel through the air. But after it travels through the air, it will pass through what? It will pass through the water. So we changed the medium from air to water. So as you can see in this picture, most of us know this trick when this pencil seems to be broken, but it's actually not broken. It seems to be bent, broken in two pieces, but it is not. This is a trick. It is an illusion. So we have this pencil, and also you can try this experiment at home. Once we place this pencil inside a glass of water, so we will observe the pencil broken or bent or broken. Why? This is because of refraction of light. The light rays travel through different media. So the first medium, it is the air. Then it will pass through the water. So it will change its speed. Okay? Let us see another picture. here is another picture of the same theory or of the same definition of light refraction. We have a light source, okay? We have a light source and we have what? Light rays. The light rays will travel through the matter, or it will travel through media, different media. The first media here is the air. So the light will travel actually faster than it travels through the water. So the light rays will travel in air faster than once it travels in water. So that's why we see the pencil seem to be bent, but it is not bent. So this is the explanation, or this is the reason. Okay, so let us see different pictures that explains light refraction. Okay, that was the first one. So as we have seen from this picture, so the pencil seems to be broken in two, but why it looks this way? Why we see the pencil broken or bent? What is the reason? What is the scientific reason of this? This happens when light travels through different media, يعني different materials from the air to the water. So the light rays, of course, will change their speed and they will change their direction. Also the same thing here in this picture. We don't have a pencil, but we have a straw. Once we place it in a glass of water, so the light ray will travel from the air or will travel through the air, then it will change its direction and it will change its speed once it travels through water. So that's why we will have light bent, light broken, انكسار للضوء. So this is the meaning of refraction of light. Here also we have another picture. Here is the light ray, and here is the first medium, which is the air. The light, as we said, the light ray travels faster in the air medium. So it will pass or it will travel in a fast speed, then it will what? Slow its speed once it passed through another medium, which is the water or the mud or another medium. So from fast traveling to the slow traveling. So that's why we see the pencil or any other object seems to be broken or seems to be bent, as this picture also. Okay, the same thing here. Light ray will travel from or will travel through the air in a fast speed, then it will change its speed once it passes or it travels through the water, so it will change the direction. Light ray travels through air in a specific speed، بيكون سريع لما ينتقل الضوء من خلال الهواء. Then it will change the speed through the water and also it will change the direction. So that's why the light seems to be bent. Bending of light means refraction of light, which means انكسار الضوء. It seems to be bent, منكسر. Here is another picture also. The light ray travels through the air medium. It travels in a fast speed, but once it changes the medium, for example, let's say water, the speed will become slower. So the direction will change, the speed will change, then the direction will change. My dear students, I am repeating for you to make sure that you understood. So what is the meaning of light refraction? It means the light bending, انكسار الضوء. Why this happens? Because the light ray travels through different media from the air to the water. So it will change the speed and it will change the direction. The same thing here. This is the light ray. It changes the medium. Here it travels, let's say, through the air, then it changes the medium to the water. So we have a refracted ray or a refracted wave of light because the speed has been changed and the direction of light ray has been changed. So what is the meaning of refraction of light? It means the refraction of light, my dears. Pay attention with me. It means bending of light. Bending of light. انكسار الضوء. Why this happens or when this happens? It happens when the light travels from one transparent medium, and please be careful. Transparent medium يعني وسط شفاف, transparent medium to another. As we have seen in the different examples that I showed you, from the air to the water, and both of them are transparent, which means شفاف. So once the light ray travels from one transparent medium to another, so what will happen? The light will change the speed. راح تتغير سرعة الضوء. The light will change the speed. So also it will change its direction. كمان بيغير الاتجاه. So that's why we see the light or the pencil, if I place a pencil inside the water, bent. So from this speed to this speed, so the direction is changed. So that's why it seemed to be bent. Okay. Thank you for watching, my dears. Inshallah, we are going to continue the meaning of lens and the types of lens and how they are related to refraction in the next lesson. Stay safe. Assalamu alaikum.